how to access Facebook Marketplace. Open your Facebook app and tap on your profile menu at the bottom right. And here you will find Marketplace, so click on that. And then you will access to Facebook Marketplace. Now you can browse products from here. You can search for a specific product by tapping on this search icon at the top right. And to add the marketplace to this bottom menu, go to your Facebook menu and click on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on profile settings. Scroll down and tap on customize. And tap on hidden next to marketplace. Tap on pin. And the marketplace will be pinned to your navigation bar, and then you can easily access the Facebook Marketplace from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.